Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get taxes forms from Changelly. Now, what I want you to first do is log into your Changelly account. So here I am on changelly.com. Look up at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on history, and then here you'll see your whole transaction history. What I want you to do is actually download this CSV. Just click on that. There you go. As you can see, it has been downloaded. And then what we do, because Changelly itself does not issue a full ready-to-file tax form, for example, for the US IRS, things like that. It basically just covers your transactions across the different exchanges and wallets. So you download the CSV, and then you come to websites like these, crypto tax softwares. You can use CoinLedger. They have the report section here, which I'm using right now. Create an account, it's free. You can use CoinPanda. You can use Crypto Tax Calculator. But you basically just come here, click on import transactions, okay? And make sure you have chosen your country as well, by the way. So you're aware of the country, calculation method. You can edit all of that. So click on import transactions, click on browse file, okay? And then you can make sure you have the import settings set up, right? The dates, for example. And then you just drag and drop your file and upload it and proceed with the import and generate your tax files. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.